Okay guys, so if you've been paying attention, the last couple of days we talked about how to put your hair in a nice ponytail, how to tame flyaways. Now to put the icing on the cake, let's learn how to pin some of those unruly little bastards. In this episode I'm going to call it Just Pin the Bastard. Because sometimes I've just found that in any type of like trying to spray or tame flyaways, sometimes you just have to pin the bastards. So I've got Laura's hair in her beautiful little ponytail with her hook and elastic enclosure. And sometimes you get these things like that might just like fall out, right? Like let's say you have some of these pieces that just didn't want to come up into the ponytail perfectly and you have to pin the bastards. So guys at home, this is called a bobby pin. Can we see it? There it is, bobby pin. It's got these cute little cushions on each side, right? So basically it's made to stick up against the head and pin in. So what you want to do is utilize the little like soft parts of it, and you want to open this bobby pin up a little bit so that you are open. And then the one side, basically, you just slide it up and on along the side of her head. So you use the bottom of the bobby pin, this little part, the bottom part. This is the top. The part that swoops up is the top. The part that's straight at the bottom is the bottom. So you use the bottom to kind of draw a line. So you want to draw this bottom part on the skin. So so you kind of like feel it, and you can kind of like use it as like a little pencil. So if you see that your girlfriend or wife has a little flyaway, you can take that with one hand, put the flyaway away, and then you draw with the bottom one on the skin, and I can kind of feel her scalp nice and easy. It goes in very smoothly, right, Laura? Mm-hmm. Doesn't hurt. So that one we have, and then you want to do this next one. So you would grab another bobby pin, and again, what I'm going to do is open it up. Okay, so I'm trying to pin this looped up piece up and in. So we take it and we hold it really tight up against her head so that it's gone. Then I take my bobby pin and I sandwich the hair in between the two pin points, and then I start pushing this up against Laura's scalp. So it shouldn't hurt, but she should feel me drawing that line. Then as you push it, you can almost see them coming through because these are really big for demo purposes, but it'll tighten all of this hair up. So again, we take this little piece that's drooping and you tighten all that hair up behind her ponytail. But you can actually do this with just about anywhere. Sometimes if you have really short hair, you'll get little like whips and flips behind your ears just because of the way you push your hair back. And it's usually the pieces behind the hairline, like right here behind the ear, that you want to pin, or it's the pieces at the back of the neck, because they usually have these little pieces that always fall out. Most women have inconsistent hair length, so down here they have like these great little wispy parts, and a lot of girls want that perfect ponytail and this all to come straight up and not show one little piece of hair, so they have to pin that up. And this is a great way for you to kind of help them go, okay, let's like pick up all this little baby hair, and then we can slide the pin in and lock that all down. But the most important part is don't jab these into your girl's hair, and also be very mindful that you want to open it up a little bit, but you always draw with the pony with this up against the skin. That's why they actually have pads on them. They're made to be pushed along the scalp. That's what they're made for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick, easy. Have some fun with your bobby pins and start pinning your girl's hair up. And because we got nothing else to do, sit at home and play with hair, right? So
that's right. We'll
here
see
we
you
go.
tomorrow.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.
My cuddle baby, wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy. My cuddle baby.
Okay, so the bobby pin has two different parts. It has the bottom and it also has the top. The part that like bows up is the top. So when you open a bobby pin up, you can just slide your finger in between it, and you want to basically sandwich all the hair in between, but this part goes up against the scalp. This part clamps the hair together. So when you use it, you open it up and you would like draw this across and pin it to the scalp.